Do you feel like your brain is slow lately? You forget things, lose focus, feel mentally tired? That feeling is called brain fog. It's not a disease, it's a sign your brain is overwhelmed. Here are some common signs. You struggle to focus and forget simple things. Your mind feels slow and low on energy. You feel distracted all day and don't feel like starting anything. This can happen due to poor sleep, too much screen time, stress, or diet. The good news? You can fix it with simple habits. Drink more water. Even mild dehydration affects your brain. Fix your sleep. Your brain needs proper rest to work clearly. Move your body. Even a short walk can refresh your mind. Take short breaks. Your brain is not designed for non-stop focus. Reduce screen time. Too much input creates mental overload. Take deep breaths. More oxygen helps your brain think better. Eat simple, healthy food. What you eat affects how you think. Do one task at a time. Multitasking makes brain fog worse. Write things down. A clear mind starts with clear thoughts. Give your brain quiet time. No noise, no input, just calm. A clear mind creates a better life. Try one habit today. Save this video and follow for more.